Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about what is URDF file and how to export URDF file from SolidWorks. First of all, we're gonna talk about what is URDF stand for. It stands for Unified Robot Description Format. Basically, it's an XML file that describes the physical characteristics of our robot, including its geometry, kinematics, dynamics, and also we can add sensors to our robot. So why URDF? URDF file serves as a virtual model of our robot, okay, and it enable you to simulate and visualize your robot. And also you can control your robot using different software frameworks like Cross and Gazebo. URDF file considered as a common language for various robotics frameworks like Pipolet and Gazebo. Okay, what is the structure of URDF file? URDF file basically consists of three main components: links, joints, and sensors. Okay, and joints play a critical role in URDF. It define how links interact with each other and how they are related to each other. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to install the plugins that enable you to export URDF from SolidWorks.